SketchUp tutorial video is an exceptional educational tool for anyone looking to dive into the world of 3D modeling. The presenter does a fantastic job of breaking down the software's complex features into digestible segments that viewers can easily follow and implement. The tutorial begins with a comprehensive introduction to the SketchUp interface, covering all the essential tools and menus. This foundation is crucial for new users and is presented in a clear and engaging manner. From there, the video smoothly transitions into more advanced topics, such as creating detailed architectural models, applying textures, and using the layer management features effectively. One of the standout features of this tutorial is the high-quality visuals. The screen captures are clear, and each action is zoomed in to ensure viewers can see every detail of the process. Wonderfully structured, making it an excellent resource for anyone interested in mastering 3D modeling with SketchUp. Whether you are a complete novice or someone with intermediate knowledge looking to refine your skills, this video is highly recommended for its educational value and practical insights.